With the advent of this war situation and the crisis, acute crisis, what we have in the Russia-Ukraine scenario in the Central Europe, the trading environment is dynamically changing each day, and India is looking into maximizing the opportunities for its economy to grow. And in that context, we have seen Ukraine being a major, Ukraine and Russia being a major exporter of wheat, and that market is hit, and India is trying to get that space, leverage that gap in the wheat market and export more. Similarly, we import from Ukraine as well and Russia sunflower oil and other things as well. So the idea is to find alternatives because we need to fill these gaps as well. And in that context, the Latin American market, the common market, Mercosur trading bloc, economic bloc, is something which comes into picture from where India is trying to get a deal and improve the trading scenario, import more sunflower oil from these countries within the Mercosur Economic Bloc. The bloc is actually Latin American countries. 4 countries we have in this Mercosur bloc: Argentina, Brazil, Uruguay, and Paraguay. And currently, with this bloc, India is having a trade of around 16 to 17 billion dollars, with India importing to the order $8 billion approximately and exporting near about similar. In fact, there's a trade deficit of a couple of $billion. So here the idea is to improve this trading relation between India and the Mercosur bloc and do away with stringent import restrictions for their product and fill this gap what we used to, because 90% of this product, this sunflower oil, the crude oil, crude sunflower oil, we used to import from Ukraine, and that market is hit and we need to import. So this alternate is definitely to be explored, and such is the approach of the Indian government to find alternatives to diversify risk. If we have war or other pandemic situation in one area, then we should have alternates to keep the economy stabilized and protect it from undue inflation, if possible. So protection from idiosyncratic risks, that's the idea. Now, it is expected that this deal will be closing soon, and similar such opportunities need to be seen on how we can optimize on our economy, which is one of the major strength of India as on date. Thank you.